Hello students, today I am going to solve a question on rhombus. Now let us see the question. If the length of a diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. So let us consider this ABCD as a rhombus where BD and AC are the diagonals of the rhombus. So we will solve this question like this. Consider ABCD is a rhombus where AC and BD are diagonals intersecting at M. Intersecting at M. At point M. Now given area of rhombus equals to 240 square SQ centimeter. Diagonal AC equals to 30 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter, so we will write perimeter we have to find out. Means we have to calculate the perimeter. Now using area of rhombus formula, that is area of rhombus, this is the formula, equals to 1 by 2 into product of length of diagonals. So here area of rhombus is 240, 1 by 2 AC into BD. AC into BD are 240 equals to 1 by 2 into AC is 30, BD we have to find out. So this cancels this, that is 15. So 240 into 15 into BD. So 240 equals to 15 into BD. Therefore, BD equals to 240 upon 15 or 16 equals to BT. So we have got 16 as BT. Now we know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each, they intersect each other at 90 degree. Since the diagonals of a rhombus intersect each other at 90 degree. So we will consider triangle AMD. Consider triangle AMD where angle AMD equals to 90 degree. AMD equals to 90 degree. So this angle becomes 90 degree. So we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So we must know the AM and AMD. Now AM will be, AM is half of AC, half of AC. That means it is 1 by 2 of 30, and if we cut it we will get 15 centimeter. And EMD will be half of BD, that is 1 by 2 into 16. So this is 8 centimeter. So here we have calculated AM and AMD. Now I will use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, AD square equals to AM square plus AMD square. AD square means we have to find out side of the rhombus. AM is 15 square plus AMD is 8 square. So you will calculate 15 square means 225, and this is 8 square means 64. So this becomes 5 plus 4 9, 6 to 8 2, 289. So AD square is 289, therefore AD equals to root 289 equals to 17, because the square of 17 is The square of 17 is 289. Now perimeter of rhombus. I will calculate perimeter of rhombus equals to, formula is 4 into side. That means I will get 4 into 17. So this comes out to be 4 7 ja 28, 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 6, 68 centimeter will be the perimeter of this rhombus. The answer is 68 centimeter. So this way, this type of questions are solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.